I Ritik Kumar, roll number 120CE0064. I am going to present question number 5.1. In this question, a distance is measured 6 times and the results are 74.31 meter, 74.28, 74.32, 74.33, 74.30 and 74.31. We are asked to determine the most probable value of distance by least square method. Now first we have to understand what is most probable value of a measured quantity. While making a measurement, certain amount of error is bound to creep into the measurement and hence no observation is free from error. It means in surveying whatever measurements we take, some error is bound to happen. We can only minimize or adjust these errors. The error in the observation is accidental or random error. The random error uses probability model and can only be minimized or adjusted. And the adjusted value of quantity is known as most probable value of the measured quantity. So after adjusting whatever value we get, that one is the most probable value of the measured quantity. In various process to find out the most probable value, one of the method is method of least square, and that is what we are asked to do in the question. In this method, it states that the sum of weighted squares of the residuals must be minimum, like V1, V2 and V3 etc. are the residuals and W1, W2, W3 are the weights. Then phi equal to W1 V1 square means weight multiplied by square of the residuals should be minimum. Now coming to the solution of the problem, we have considered L as the most probable value of the distance, and the 6 observed values are taken as L1, L2, L3, L4, L5 and L6, and the respective residuals are V1, V2, V3, V4, V5 and V6. Now the residuals can be calculated as L minus L1, V2 equal to L minus L2, V3 equal to L minus L3 and up to V6. From the least square principle, phi equal to weight multiplied by square of the residuals. Here the weight of all the residuals is 1, that is W1 equal to W2 equal to W3 equal to W4 up to W6 equal to 1. So V1 square plus V2 square plus V3 square plus V4 square plus V5 square plus V6 square equal to a minimum. And now putting the values of V1 to V6, we get this L minus L1 square up to L minus L6 square should be minimum. Now for phi to be minimum, we differentiate it by with respect to L, and we get this equation, and putting it to 0 to get phi maximum, we get 6L equal to L1 plus L2 plus L3 plus L4 plus L5 plus L6. Now the required value comes this one, summation of all the quantities divided by 6. Now putting the values, we get the result as 74.31. This is our result. Thank you. That's all.